Hello students, in today's class we learn our third type of network based on communication channel. In previously video we learned about geographical spread and media. Today we learn about communication channel. The connection among the hosts are established using specific communication media. Based on this parameter, the computer network can be categorized as these. So according to the communication media, networks are two types: wired computer network and wireless computer network. So today we learn about wired computer networks. In this type of network, host and other devices are interconnected through a wiring or a cable. So in a network all computers or a client or server are connected each other through a wire or a cable. Such type of network is known as wired computer network. Most wired computer networks are of LAN type. So generally they are in a particular small building or office. So all LAN type computers are known as wired computer network. Although there are wireless LAN too, and there are bigger networks that use wireless media too. Most commonly used cable in wired network are one of the following three types. So there are three types of cable which is used in wired computer network to connect devices each other. First is twisted pair cable, second is coaxial cable, and third is fiber optic cable. So our first is twisted pair cable. So a twisted pair cable is made of two plastic insulated copper wire twisted together to form a single media. So there are two plastic insulated copper wire which are twisted together to form a single media. So we can see this by this diagram. This diagram is twisted pair cable diagram. So there are copper cables, insulated copper cable, which are connected to form a single media. Out of these two wires, only one carries actual signal and another is used for ground reference. So in twisted pair cable, first copper wire used to carry actual signal and second is used for ground reference. The twisted between wire are helpful in reducing noise. So if there are any electromagnetic interference or a noise, so twist wire are help to reduce the noise. And a crosstalk, these are available in various forms such as Cat1, Cat2, Cat3. So there are many types of twisted pair cable which are used in available in current market: Cat1, Cat2, Cat3. So we can buy according to our need. So this is diagram of twisted pair cable diagram. Then second very important cable is coaxial cable. So generally twisted pair cable is used in a telephonic line, and second is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable has two wire of copper. The copper wire lies in the center and it is made of solid conductor. The core is enclosed in a insulated sheet. The second wire is wrapped around over the sheet, and that too in turn encased by an insulator sheet. This all is covered by a plastic cover. So this thing we can learn about by the help of this diagram. Yes. So there are many layers. First is our copper wire, then another shield is there, then another shield is there, then another shield is there. So generally this coaxial cable is used in a TV cable wire where signal broadcast by the help of this. So this is all covered by a plastic cover. Then after this all sheets are covered is black plastic cover. The two most commonly used types of coaxial cable are thick net and thin net, and this is generally used in broadcast TV signals. And our third is fiber optics. Our third is fiber optics. Fiber optics works on a property of light. When light ray hits a critical angle, it tends to reflect at a 90 degree. This property has been used in fiber optic. The core of fiber optic cable is made highly quality glass or a plastic. So this is our fiber optic cable. So its basic core is made of high quality glass or a plastic. From one end of it, light is emitted. It travels through it, and other end light detectors detects light stream and converts it into the electric data. Fiber optic provides highest mode of speed. So in internet, generally fiber optical cable is used because its speed is very fast, because data travel through the light and the light speed is very fast. So common type of fiber optic cables are used in market is single node or a multi node. This is a diagram of multi node fiber optic cable. So today we learned third type of our network is based on communication channel. So there are two types of communication channel networks. First is wired computer networks and second is wireless computer network. So today we learn about wired computer networks, which has three types of cable: twisted cable, pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. Twisted cable is generally used in a telephone lines, where there are three types of twisted cable: Cat1, Cat2, Cat3, Cat4, and second is coaxial cable, which is generally used to broadcast TV signals. So generally in market two types of coaxial cable are available: thicknet and thinnet. And third is fiber optic cable, where its speed is very fast because signals channel through the light, and its common type is single node and multi node.